Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire Ayatan sculptures. These unique decorative items are found throughout the solar system. You will often discover them in hidden areas, behind breakable objects, or at the end of less traveled paths during missions. Listen for their distinct, shimmering sound to help locate them. Additionally, completing Meru's weekly Ayatan treasure hunt guarantees you one sculpture, making it a reliable source for your collection. To fully activate your Ayatan sculptures, you will need to collect Ayatan stars. There are two primary types, cyan stars and amber stars. Cyan stars are more common, often dropping from lockers, containers, and defeated enemies. Amber stars are rarer, frequently found in mission caches, as rewards, or in more challenging areas. Gathering these stars is essential for completing your sculptures. Once you have collected both sculptures and stars, head to Meru's Bazaar on Mars. There, you can interact with Meru and select the Ayatan treasures option. This interface allows you to drag and drop your collected stars into the empty sockets of your sculptures. Each sculpture has a specific number and type of star required to become fully activated, so match them carefully. After your Ayatan sculptures are fully socketed with stars, they are ready to be traded. Return to Meru's Bazaar and speak with her again. She will offer you a substantial amount of endo for each completed sculpture. Endo is a vital resource used to upgrade your mods, making your warframe and weapons much stronger. Prioritize sculptures with more star slots for the greatest endo rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.